Today, we're diving into the power of native plants, how they help our environment and how you can incorporate them into your landscape, no matter where you live in Canada. Native plants are species that have evolved in a specific region over thousands of years. They provide essential habitat for local wildlife, help conserve water, and improve soil health. Let's explore the best plants to grow in each province, when to plant them, and their environmental benefits. In British Columbia, consider planting Pacific dogwood, the province's official flower, or red columbine, a favorite among pollinators. Plant these in early spring or fall for the best results. These plants stabilize soil, attract bees and hummingbirds, and support forest ecosystems. Alberta's native wild rose adds beauty and supports local pollinators. Pair it with little bluestem, a native grass that's drought tolerant. Plant them in spring once the ground has thawed. Their benefits include reducing soil erosion and providing shelter for birds and insects. For Saskatchewan, black-eyed Susans and milkweed are perfect choices. Milkweed is especially important as a host plant for the endangered monarch butterfly. Plant in spring or early fall. These plants contribute to the ecosystem by supporting pollinators and maintaining prairie biodiversity. In Manitoba, try the prairie crocus, Manitoba's floral emblem, and big bluestem grass, which thrives in prairies. Plant in spring for flowers or fall for grasses. These species improve soil structure and create habitats for native wildlife. Ontario's white trillium and Joe Pye weed are excellent native options. Trilliums bloom in shaded areas, while Joe Pye weed thrives in sunny spots. Plant in spring or early fall. Environmental benefits include supporting pollinators, enhancing forest undergrowth, and improving water retention in soil. In Quebec, plant iris, which thrives near water, while maple provides shade and vibrant fall colors. Plant in spring or fall. These plants support wetland health, provide food for wildlife, and combat climate change by storing carbon. For the Atlantic provinces, bunchberry and sweet fern are ideal native plants. Bunchberry adds ground cover, while sweet fern thrives in sandy soils. Plant in spring. They improve soil health, attract pollinators, and protect coastal ecosystems from erosion. In the Northern Territories, try fireweed, known for its bright pink flowers, or Labrador tea, which grows well in acidic soils. Plant in late spring as the ground thaws. These plants stabilize fragile ecosystems and support wildlife in harsh climates. Here's how to plant native species effectively. Choose the right spot, match the plant's needs for sunlight, soil, and moisture. Prepare the soil, remove invasive species and loosen the soil to help roots establish. Plant at the right depth, ensure roots are covered but don't bury the stem. Planting native species reduces the need for fertilizers, pesticides, and excess watering. These plants are adapted to the local climate, making them resilient and sustainable. They also create essential habitats for wildlife, improving biodiversity and combating climate change. You have the power to make a difference. Ask your local nurseries about their native plant selections and reach out to your community conservation organizations to learn more. Together, we can begin to restore balance and ensure a thriving environment for generations to come.